What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on with an XRP and this whole cloud that we have hanging over our heads. I'm going to kind of get off the cuff and talk to you a little bit about what happens when the market reverses, okay? And if XRP will be leading the charge, I think there's some case that we can make, all right, some evidence that we can support this claim. So I wanted to break it all down for you guys in this video. As always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you're returning, I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, and let's get down into it, okay? So remember to subscribe and like this video, okay? This is what we're talking about. When the crypto market kind of does a broader reversal, right, we're seeing Bitcoin find its struggles, okay? This is where we look into Margex. I'm going to show you guys what Bitcoin is doing right now. But first, if you want to get into it, let's take some time to highlight today's channel sponsor. If you guys want to start trading on Leverage Margex, I have a link down below for a deposit sign up. And if you register now, you can claim up to a $10,000 bonus. This is a exchange that people have been using to make great trades using leverage. Okay, make sure you do your own research and due diligence. Make sure Margex is right for you. Copy trading is available. It's a very, very useful feature that people have been having some success trading Bitcoin on leverage. I know a lot of people have been on the channel have been having some success in that as well. But as always with leverage, guys, make sure you guys are very careful because it does have extreme risk, and make sure you do your due diligence on that front. And if Margex is right for you, get started today. Sign up, link down below. All right. But this is where we look at the chart, and Bitcoin, as we see it tumble, we've since bounced up a little bit, but we did wick down to 56K in some change. Okay. But we have bounced back, right? So I'm not really pounding the alarm for Bitcoin. We were looking at that as a more general support line, but I think Bitcoin's going to stabilize around 63,000 for the time being. Okay, but right now we're wicking below. We're kind of trading down below. We're getting some momentum going lower. Okay, and the Bitcoin dominance is at an all-time high. So I'm going to pull up XRP up 4% on the day in the last 24 hours. We can see that kind of just bolstering up, right? But XRP is looking kind of bullish, guys. I mean, I know it's not $3, it's not $10, what everybody wants, and we're down a lot. Okay, I'm going to pull up the daily just so you guys can see a little bit better and clearer. Okay, but I know it's not doing, that exponential growth that we all want. Okay, it's not going up above $1.70 like we were back here, but it is kind of just hanging out. It's being suppressed, but we continue to move up. This is a steady upward trend, and for me, in my likings, once we get out of this courtroom, I think that XRP is going to be a benefactor, right? I think it's going to be subject to a lot of market manipulation, truthfully, but it will be a benefactor, and I think that's where we're going to see XRP kind of catch up to the rest of the market. All right, but within this price movement, excuse me, we're kind of outpacing other digital assets, okay? And that's why I think seeing a lot of crypto just fall off the map, right? Bitcoin's going down, but XRP is continuing this slow but steady upward trajectory. And, we kind of can be a little bit bullish upon that, right? Because if we get out of the courtroom, we get a decision, then we can start talking about some serious numbers, okay? And more so at this 52 cents mark, if we look into XRP, okay, this is our line. This is our line where we really have to take into consideration everything that we've built, everything we've worked for, okay? That's where we have to look for that resistance at 52 cents. And breaking out from that, obviously, is XRP at 60 cents is where it would be very crucial as well. But for me, I don't really care, okay? That's just putting it bluntly. I think this is all is for nothing. I think that, this is very bullish right here. This activity that we're seeing, this is a very nice indication of what's going on, okay? I understand that a lot of you guys, wanted this to continue once we hit 80 cents, but for where we were at trading right here, right now, it's not a bad thing, right? It's not a bad thing. We have the worst kind of odds, if you will, right? XRP is being suppressed in a courtroom. We're missing the boat on all these halvings, on the Bitcoin runs. XRP is kind of just lagging and everything, but they're still ascending, right? They're still ascending, okay? It's very fascinating to see because this is why it's very important. And with this reversal that we're seeing kind of on the charts, they could lead the pack. And I think that's something where XRP gets out of the courtroom like we talk about. they could see some price momentum that other cryptos will not have, right? That will be a huge, huge bullish momentum change. Like I said, I firmly believe they're being suppressed. I think when we get some legal clarity, if we do, it's been years, but if we do, and we can just close that book, and then we can start expanding and increasing adoption, then I think XRP is going to be in a great spot. But wanted to share with you guys what's going on, okay? Because right now, they're kind of showing this progress, right? The strength in comparison to the rest of the market. And I know it's boring. I know XRP stinks and it's going to zero, like you guys all say. But in comparison to the rest of the crypto market, it's pretty relatively stable. So it's kind of something where it's not a bad thing right now in this current day in this current market. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Please make sure you guys all subscribe down below on your way out. Links down below. Check them out if you want to get involved with some of our channel sponsors. We talked about Margex a little earlier in this video if you want to get started on leverage. But appreciate you all. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.